MAII and the way education takes place in India, there's a huge difference between what we do at MAII and what we have been talking about as education per se all over the country for so many years. In education in MAII, we don't talk in terms of just imparting the knowledge or imparting the basic information. We talk in terms of making a person complete, not only in terms of what the person learns, but also how he applies it in his real life, in his real business life. And that's the key to business, to the whole purpose of education. We can't be talking about just book knowledge and saying, yes, you have done this and you are ready for the world. We make people ready to face the challenges that come and face them with alacrity and with grace and come winners at the end of it. There's a huge difference between what the American model of education is and what the Indian model is, as we have seen. We move away from having 6 months of studies or 1 year of studies and a single exam at the end of it all, talking in terms of modules, talking in terms of 1 month of hard study of a particular module. We talk in terms of interacting with the students, not just giving them one lecture and just forgetting about it. They need to come back to us with more queries, with more discussions, and they need to participate in discussions, they need to participate in group projects, they need to participate in activities which not only tell them what they learn, but also they learn how to use what they learn. And that's the key to education, which is much more important today. We don't make students who join an organization and then they realize, what do I do here? We make them ready for an organization even before they have joined the organization. That's the key to it. We talk about case studies, we talk about group projects, we talk about involvement, we talk about corporate interactions. All of them help them to basically become good students. We have been using Harvard-based case studies for so long. They are all real-life case studies. They tell people exactly how to face challenges, what type of solutions you can have, and how you can manage within your organization the best possible way. And that's the key to education, and that's what MAII Stratford stands for. And the model that it delivers education is not something that is very unique to India, but I think the most effective that Indians can actually have.